I'm saying for young I do my papa, my Sinopi on Common TV. I trust the net, and so a very special day. I treat up a day. I tell you, net on the 23rd day, the month of June 2020. Getting for that room, or the I tell you, a day back one, I was a ocean song, and it's a CBSC, a bear with it. Now, with me, I so at Nancy, I'm also being counsel, when you are here. Now, I was so young, being having papa. Na obom pai to secure up na bonsa de bi kuye bia no omwo na entumi nkuye once ekuye no kwa de enema enso ebetumi asesa ede ama nyame sha won kan ho obusu a obe Sinopi on Kumawood TV ya tenase benyamre na yetumi edi enkomo enso ewa hapa na onim se ensam no de adoso titu ene NPP primaries benyamre na yede NPP primaries on komo Medei honorable Chairman Sabusu, Alenti da Akasa, was say said the MP before Twaba. Now, experienced members of Parliament to go to every mono, a Beham and Kuno, a Bessa Parliament pa. I don't mind no party now, you know, once San say anyone. We are now more party. You know, and someone honorable Chairman Sabusu, Elia Tuja, Rajon Bodu, so I said, the name is Secret and Beya. Na party CB na the electoral college no omatumi atwe e every card bearer member of the party today na was what me for body because amount for ketu bi akwaje 4,000 na e get 2,000 e get 2,000 na say God dey say one of the constituencies are Wukumasia about to course wa incumbent dem su utia 1,000 maybe na put 1,500 maybe and they have 40 so 2,000 now 40,500 as in I will about to best way so and I will fear the car in 1,500 and even to and I'm I'm not to Papa sister look I say if you like pet if my way pan is going to remember now it's me Eddie and come on NPP primaries and market rising so and I excellence the former president the leader of the NDC John Dramani Mahama and also Akasa was it in the nipa ahodo a omusika koka edwam e banks ahodo mu a bank ne egu some credit union microfinance egu na omusan ka musika se Ghana fo na don na omusan tuma ne bi no ba obetu bi bia nti akoka e de ama ase wo kan yi ayi bibire no Ghana you say DKM God is love na ye kwan pen so fatawa ha binyamre na mo eyi ano his excellency John Dramani Mahama Saka said you say airbus no scandal na buy as a government official one. So na do here is a Ghana Armed Forces. E betumi dey announce you motumi aboduma kama Ghana. Na capresi e be capre. We nya e wo mu. Nti wono a Ghana Force one na official one. Wani skabia nti sem no e mo ntu we ene sem wa do so e de benya mre ye tumi e mu ko. Shame so said the novel coronavirus COVID-19 yare ni buswa e ha man san e ha o my Ghana. No ka say the cases no agree akọrọ mu pa enye agro so one hwe hu gina me so ma hwe mu ya imetimi e de yare no asa obi schools no resume na ye for some of the schools a o resume a ene me na akoso kama but they say abo fa o matifie no schools no e koye no ye safe mo ma no go school no go suya de PPEs no e se ni so bia school ko bia no bia ma fa bia nya bi ate for bia nya bi some individual companies which I enjoy pa Dr. Kokutin Michelle Paradox, Michelle Pa, we said yes. At this time around, they said yes. Already for COVID-19. I don't go any agro. Schools now become here, something again there. I don't go one. But then, in a really a big machine, so in the say, right on what we say, Oko Ascent North constituency, Mr. Eric Amankabli, on what the bicycles cost on top of Musuye. I didn't bicycles, so I have a bicycle, Commander. Most of them of course, it's a common amount for scientific any attack. I mean, I'm really not 8 years and so far, 10 deaths, and the Assam record account. The Ghana's count of deaths on COVID-19 stands at 95 or more, 95. The sad news is that me and Kasami Yokupa, we think for my mama and Mumbai, they cost Mamas Moko. Me and Yokupa, now we are presiding member of Ofurukum constituency, Honorable Eric Boating. Sad news Sunday at the fair, I said, Otorano, I was here. Some assembly member, Nimia, and what does the government hospital, Dr. Noah, COVID-19, whom we could go. Near Pine and Dr. Harry Boating, Nimia, William Boating, our presiding member of the constituency, and also Yareno. The area we Yareno, a high grade. So far, recoveries start at 10,907, and then cases, I record the counts now, 14,568. Any cases that we are recording. And all of them because the recoveries not also too much. Almost the same say India, Kulu, man for some predicted said the MPP primaries, almost any share so. Now, almost to fly, honorable CEO, Maslot, Sticker. The Namua every year or in Shasha. Now, man for Chiano, and I walk here more Chiano, rich because I didn't know. Of course, you saw Yonkuma, me lawyer. Yonkuma, what winning lessons now, lawyer, if you cross, I didn't know. No business, and I am something. Chiamua, chief of staff, deputy chief of staff. Uras and one guy, night time. Man for say, and here, there, calling him as a city. That president, young red. Now yet to me and so now John Dabali Mahama say or send another him or second of Funa say me na 30th of this month electoral commission to two now you say now green pay say go to the Ghana for two and I him for moon two for now come register. What has changed about the stance of the NDC? All other issues even now yet to me at the moment. And we need Michael Nana Adwa put down from Mr. Maka said, I guess here and from a God's way casket. Lady, and audition of film with me upon or two from that one more form. Yes, I'm Bob, is Yamale, you know, come on. That's so, and Mohis Herbal Center, an award winning Herbal Center, our Ghana, and media, who is opportunity, and as you are saying, very made to a yet trail home rap back on the back. Honorable Apia, a coordinator at the parliamentary candidate elect for in Shire constituency, Honorable Stephen Amwa, sign a assembly member, Patasi electoral area. There's a KMB and a Utufia, you know, in the Comasanso, and Mr. Chairman, LSAD, a second vice chairman for the NPP, Mensiana constituency, and special aid to the member of parliament, parliamentary candidate elect for Mensiana constituency. Mr. Akosi Kunodu, and also Ovia, and Afi, the senior communication team member for the NDC, of Accra. If I just say I'm back, Yes, I ever have Wakaba and from a Silopi on Kumel TV. We are live also on Facebook, Kumel TV, and on YouTube. Sam Dabus TV. We share now. I feel young also in the so say your views, your thoughts, your comments on a WhatsApp line and that screen in 0543 596 070. Drop the number and can kind into now me think the last time I only honorable setback. As some of the challenging true. I think that you made mention of 5,000 Ghana cedis. Says your home at Tikakubi. That's what you saw. The man of 5,000 Ghana cedis. And come a pub me up watch the one Sakrana. No, no, this one. But the members have. And that's what they do. I wonder. I just so. I'm not. We are fetching of a town. So for town, they're Taramano. Because we will be able to come. You be a baby. Let the same going to the elections. Now, transparent, we are and also candidate and could be asked with this kind. Now, we push up police. Do some honor. Let it say. You, Mickey, let us and I mean, Chewa for. I mean, Chewa put us in tea, Edinburgh. More boy, see the Kumasi, the Union moved to here. Where is some one more? Upi and what is a consul. Oh, Massa, oh, she said, may say now, any microphone so epa, the idea yet. Yet it's a move to here. Mudi. Now, on him, a yame, any done us here. Yet, dear, Enzo Kumasiane radio stations are hold door, dear, Enzo Bianfaya and every. We say in Iska and a crack. But I say in Yame, and we did really be a sen, a man. And I say the voice of the people is the voice of God. The Nipano everything in Yame, a Yama. I am in a couple of tea and Bible. And I said, yeah, constituency for any camp, police station for no, and shall not for this year. Almost say, be Bakudi Bandi, was a say ye and me. Almost say, a Yesica. Oh, Massa. Oh, now Cascadia. Want to move me far before Yanqua. So, yes, Cascadia say, one will be on Conejuma, from a park of him 1 o'clock. Massa, one half a month for some mocha. It's my inexperience, and I say, incumbent now, no use. Very happy. Of that, but what yet? You will grab off with the idea of it. At the party, and then call you more what they do most of the time. And yes, that the man. My young family. Now, my mamma will be here. I'll call you Chrono Catas, a shed for yet. The Naku Fuado, and people for a shell of Kona. Among one may be dear and good. I'm not gonna for your bread. And pray it. And only Yaka, to show my ball to you, and I'm a Fakoniana, tell my advice. And then opening, congratulate you, in fact. Sir, 2 seats now, or my team 2 income and to know the idea. It's a son of people who coin this more. And Kayapa and Cabo Fro, Penimos, when your opportunities not be strong the mouth for. I'll go back Kayan with any cabinet like a blue baby old blue. So we shall almost walk us and the way you be a being both and these young people in your position. No more if you say any pebby and not Pedro Macusuano. So I'll come back in a clamance at Patasu, I cannot forget a piano. By our own refugee. Now, we want people at your money, I got this idea, and they are more politicians. About you, you know, I haven't said Ampa. A great Pia, never did Yammy. Say, you may give me soon, sir, and come Pia, so nobody block contact. Actually, that's from of four. Were you surprised? Results are by when you are not going to see it, PSC. Oh, baby, I can't wait in idea. City, my friend said, will be every me personally, I am as a first seat. No, yep, oh, men person of young people. Yeah, I am the man say, which are race not at the baby between Doctor and me, Mr. Doctor, follow me, you know, Obano, okay, Obano, because apart from so, your chairman, about pay information and research, not outgoing MP or any candidates, but Yamia also portable. A bus are not outgoing MP in Ghana. Not COVID-19 and Apollo. Thank you. And Yama, I'm more support to her. No, also a big one, meaning I phone for me.
but you don't have necessarily meaning or was it 2021 parliament. And
as if for parliament.
Oh, can be a Namasa Tafu Pancrono. And this can be to but we know we're not Tafu Pancrono, dear. And you're obvious in the name of MPP tickets, you know. But you may be a new parliament. Why don't you or see? Now, need the other number of interest in Papa carry a platform. And I hear him come. I have just send there, chairman because as some could have to say, Chief Amman, I mean, a program be our sister station, be near the Dover Fair. 2012, a black people for years, I won't pay my young check, consuls in the Tombakaya. And my alcohol and my data process, I'm Chief. Call on your posters in here, and hearing your best support. When you go here, who be on posters. What platform so why would you somehow catch them? Because I bet the MPT or free program. I'm catching a or more fruits to the Shia or more than we send you Shia. 1 year, but I had this one, young mammy, and you will. So, we are paying quite to one, I would say the public page with you. The set here be a baby one, obey accountable to some performance. And to me, Manusi, sit here and we can lose here, yummy, that pano, and yet, sir, in Shia. Anyhow, me come it now. Can come. Anna, I'm Mania, and it's my wolf at a management. What fat about Mobian is our who for them was another. It's because of contest, baby. I'm one more located to no say government spokesperson on finance. Minia Dabio. Missy of Atafa by force that told them. When happened,
all I know. And they say a positioner, and I say, with Modia, Abano at the Asset. And Abano Prayers are now deputy chief of staff. I said, so watch a crown and some you and a map. And yet, nay, obvious. Chief Amampa, nay, obvious. But some call for you the food tabay beer, not the cassette. Kumasi by Cup Massy and Pizza, or Money Stars. Oh, quite chilly, Uncle Shep. Yes, see, my commercial break matches. Yes, I'm from Sinopi on Kumaut TV. So, just drop your comments. If I'm ready, I can kind of amount. On what be up? Yes, sir. One of moving elections. First time, can you come? I feel what could be. And among the members of parliament in Kumasi, I will cast a share and now buy performance wise. I see you about commodity. I don't go to know.
My main first up when I was not mentioned also. And chair, I am for and chair soon. Now, when chair delegates are a win chair. I feel no chair team sticker, a phone. Me person me woody. And me woody there and come a body for a tempedy. Darling boy, I want my day.
So that the sticker to a note.
Boy and I are there.
No, you cannot have no.
My colleague, the co-manager, a jack. One is fire there.
Okay.
They will pull man and not prempe. Oh, Tim Name of
Puma,
Nana Prempe.
former presiding member.
Former presiding Kenny.
And I was a darling boy.
And darling boy is around. And Nana Prempe.
Nana Prempe.
Fancher.
Yeah, Nana Prempe.
Aye.
Okay.
Nafi Nase Prof. And no more marketing, I'm fancy. Yes, I am quite. Now, that was a Saturday tina. You too, honorable canker. May cast in me, and about myself. So, I can defer papa. Now, quite, I have found to fufu.
I fufu.
Fufu. fufu ayi
edi aduane fufu
fufu kuza fufu ya ta de banche ne bode ene wo fufu banche etu no fom ena bo e twa so na onu awia unya nyansani ni obi o wa abotre no motimi ama fufu papa edi nyansani ni gina fufu no so a ɛwɔ so ɔde nyansa ene wo fufu no ko so de bom kwan a aduane ne beto fom na fa abotre ni no adane dane fufu no atete mu aba no nya perfect fufu se wa amfa sa suban na antena se antena wiase a untimi nkokai kenedi kankan mo ani aba no ni tima na etwa no hia about 70 to 80% were drop. Oh yes.
Last time I say more na mo de ko
me say 3-member campaign team no myself Eja Peter Frimpong then Kojo Boateng then a 3-man campaign head team. When it was a sticker campaign team this time no myself and Eja was member then and is you see the Musa sticker lusu ya na ne call team nyina is still with him. Sticker emotional person pa o dia man o person ye no ye but oyobia owo good heart enya say me won ho na make wo dia abaya ya to awi whoever accept defeat no no because kanje no obefa na ba wa we kra ya idi na chiko be yes nche no de kra na ide aye adwuma
ese ne nsem so ko
ne nsem so ko o bisa na no ni bi kra se mo be ka tell ne show nkra so na kankam awe ne ya no hwe enioma ma le lusu ya de di kan maka o peja na betima position no o yi won mo twa ne ho ahia o bo ano ti nchen afen so we dey nti ato abane wi na nka me pese me ko sa side no but me kan ne e wonam anidi mu ti me ka kakra bi na me dey senior ya nhwe ya na ya check ya MPs ni ya fans o munya no you know your problem on
fans say
your common fund your health fund your get fund your health insurance fund your road fund your you can't say agent fund all be 6 or 7 funds aduma ye ni nhia su nyina no a central government projects ye
nje nyina
like I say about 90-95%. What about my mobile man here? A kind of yeah, one is MPC cafe.
And a lobby.
Oh, senior.
A lobby. You can't just say
what they are lobby on fact.
Good.
On fact. $1 million per constituency. You see toilets, you see you can't say community need their backgrounds. Same woman na you who were in any sesika, you was a common fund, no, health fund, no, get fund, no, the 2 money you bit me and says it's what that is my problem.
But I didn't also say a brand number contest. So that time we have a brand. What the matter in good fear says can now. So cassette or cassette can it didn't the a man would be shoe or more if you more idea.
In Shiasu, elite area, one of the first-class residential areas in Ghana. In Shiasu, can we reach Accra? In Shiasu comes to second. I'm sorry, say me use say, but me Muska. In 2016, I can say primary school. Dr. Anani paid the highest money. Me what? Sticker paid the lowest money.
How much is this?
Me then they make kind.
It's a ratio of so far 100 at that time. Within 3 years.
Me Saturday
we are. Let me say, Sikawa baby.
Saturday they make my antisika uti. Aye, the see and say. Dr. Anani, we any second. What the third? Second. In Shiasu, Abato, that me bana me can't say me. Me say me assembly member. Me one selfish interest. Beside delegate, all right. But the thing say, me team the form for the penny the omoka. I voted against Dr. Anani, who is one of the best 5 ministers are Ghana Enya. You can never debate this a. You can best 5 ministers are Ghana Enya. Dr. Anna is part. But the entire tour Betia Dr. Anna said, now you know the human relationship with people of Asia. Now you know the star. And Nipano Abamu is a Omu. But this election, Senyami Anya Duma man and now the party being 20 no more honorable Kennedy can come call on the poster. And can vote in a party be suing Shason and can party the Bebre. And remember, you have Florida of MPP and Bantama constituency 10. Yeah. And you are splitting into 3. Bantama, Quadaso, and in Shason. So Vosa Ashanti region MPP Yana Kessian in Shason is part. And to be a bit to a problem my shares. So, and the honorable Kennedy can come performance name as a for them why name one. It's now many senior lecturer, political science department, KNUST, a more for Dr. Amachi Wati. About and Wadiba Moti Sinupi. Hello, Dr. Hello. Okay. Hello, Dr. Temeka. Okay, I think the rest of the doctor. That's one now. First one I'm going to na yepe candidate or unifier. Okay. Candidate the vision. Candidate the message about attaching to delegates and the people of Ishaiso. And we saw that in Stika. Stekam Elusu Aban 2016 ade chenye okaye ho ma ye kwa sorry ko den yamias owie no wa nyan se chia so DJ mu okoye maslow boss no the first assignment that we nyaye and as a loaner e ba ya no meeting the aboa what the buy share so okay America say more information about him so doc oti en kan yure a e mo adwo basin bi so kuma TV hello too bad and to be the man who see a Juma or Pema or 4 a win share so not only MP scholarship last year. Sticker gave out more than 80 people scholarship. Tertiary, every quadrille UK 3, US, and then China, and then as a 4. And he signed power in and win share so. And now, sorry, you were a Juma will be here to me. You were carpenter, you were mason, and you were doctor. Obey area South for me and Southern Alabama. Doctor, okay, open say out of and I will sing down the Bama. You Kennedy can come over your home what day of beating a year to money ye. And again, national organizer for the party. Oh, he can organize very well. But parliamentary job what did he not. Yes, almost one to right. I'm going to say, Misaka, Dr. Amati Watia. Doctor, what time can you watch it and what your pass in the episode? But I watch what you can. Okay. I'm saying, Doctor and Timika. I mean, Chama.
Yeah, okay.
How was it going to?
Yeah.
How was it going to the contest? No more now who follow you. What can I say? At the MPP vetting, Yabu.
SM ho na edika no ma me chairman share no right from police station constituency level e chair mo nyina e do mase na ma chia me am father Gabriel o asonase sin services na ma
I think say atu ma me say Dr. Machi Abba Mansa Dr. Bacha Timi can you read
Aye.
Yes. We have a Korean
I already had them. Be able to.
Yeah, the radius. You didn't come on NPP primaries. The course of Fina no memenda. One or to take incumbents. More if we move. And the course of Nano. But I remark, it was only a trip. Who assessed the course of Nano? Because the elections, no, I was saying.
Okay, Medamasi. Adebako a wosi ehunu se amanyosem no ewo suban sonko ewo amanyoko no mu amanyoko bia mu no ewo ne dynamics ntom ye primaries na titu areas a mredo no party no edi nkunim or primaries no dynamics no akwa to say there's a drive towards parliament ibadodo no epe akwanya akosum ewo emrahye bedwam na akwa say people are pitching their ambitions against others. In most cases, it is increasingly becoming difficult to tell whether Omwa Edin Kugono is because of the fact that they are not doing well. The issue of what should be done, what one should do in Parliament, and also in the constituency, in order to get an understanding that I'm serving my people the best I can. Now you can go ahead, have some peace of mind, and do your work. It's becoming a critical issue because some people lose her, then you don't really know what is going on. Papa no lose you or just deputy minister no. There's nothing just say lose you. This is somebody who is on the ground in a Juso, and then at the same time doing his best in Parliament. Such a person shouldn't lose. One can also talk of some other areas. Nti amanyosem no esuban no the elder no ho adi ni say people simply don't care. Now, if you're trending now, the same party na be ma makwanya amoma sum oman in other capacities they use that to mobilize money, and then they affect the constituencies in a very personal way. I think that is the dominant factor. Uska, you are able to come out as someone of good standing in the party, at the constituency, in the party nationally, and then you affect the constituency monetarily. Of course, you want to tackle a few issues of general developmental character. And my personal view reflected by what is captured in the middle page of the Daily Graphic today. CDD is in a way, making a complaint and suggesting that this issue, sitting members of parliament, we got to take a second look at it. But I've been talking for some time now, and I've been saying that the parties will have to take a look at it and possibly come out with generalized rules to provide some protection for their members of parliament.
Doc, rules saying we've heard Honorable Majority Leader Chairman Sambosu say experienced members of parliament will not free more in future no Ghana's parliament. It means that political parties, especially the two parties, NDC, NPP, or electoral college, said every card bearer member of the party will have a chance in choosing who should lead them in the various constituencies. We now can once again.
A bit to me, I can home. About electoral college in Moa, it will not deter some people. The main, you go to you take the US, it is a democracy, UK a democracy, all the established democracies. Members of parliament don't have this headache. Every 4 years, they stand the danger of being replaced. This is not the situation there. They have the peace of mind to do their work. Of course, those who are not performing are easily identified because it is crystal clear what they should do as members of parliament. Of course, they should liaise with the local constituencies. But issues of development and development projects, members of parliament at best are facilitators. But they are not the agents, the main agents are. I want to say constituency, blame for that. That's why the district assemblies are there. In fact, it is the office of the political executive. And I just say, so by electoral college anymore, you are saying, say, fine. Anytime people who have gone to make money want to come into parliament, they are at liberty to do that. But I'm looking beyond that. I'm looking beyond that. We need to start from a point. There should be some understanding. I don't need to suggest anything for anybody. The political parties almost shed dialogue. Now, what will emerge a better stability about one political party, and then two, institutional learning in the Parliament of Ghana, and also there should be some sort of stability. The amount of money that goes into politics at the local level should go down. It is unacceptable to hear say delegates were given 3,000 cedi each. Delegates have been people bought bicycles for them. It's unacceptable. These things should stop.
Doc, finally, if you might say, I can say, a good omen at the opposition NDC, because before the incumbents are on more loose elections, no. They say, more project to say, or one piece now, within the days of Fado's era. It elect me as way to the NDC. Who is that?
It's nothing like a good omen, dear Wite. Bantima, NDC, Uncle Winnie or Homian Omunko Winnie or Juso, Amian They should go to those constituencies now, here, the Asante, the MPP strongholds, Omunko Winnie. What sort of analysis is that? Swing areas, crown, it depends on several factors. For example, the candidate to be and Kase or call independently, and we say what has happened in the party is not necessarily any good omen for the opponent. And that argument there and reflected the situation on the ground. The strongholds remain the strongholds of the parties, whether MPP or NDC. The local politics within the party and dynamics, they do not necessarily engender to the benefit of the opponent. It doesn't. If anything at all, swing areas, and I say the losing parties as an independent candidate, what the chances of best splitting votes, among the opponent, after home, and then in some cases, a party a bit generated because of bad blood, then, like it happened in 2008, first round in Ashanti region, the apathy could affect the presidential votes. So these are some of the fallouts. Yahunda, likely say Bibisa beat me SC, but I don't think said this time around the MPP will sit down and allow things to, happen the way it did in 2008.
Right. Docs, and you read to the phone Kumo TV, and that's a password number at the Amaya.
Mr. Damasi.
I was a Mabefi, night meeting Kumoy, right? Dr. Amachi Boateng, a senior lecturer, political science department, KNUST, and then not equating. What take doctor's analysis? Not the Eponia, the part no, baby, this idea. And we are not more candidates from that. If you don't know, let's protect the members of parliament. You put the two of one, that's a 8 years video. That means you, your course,
thinking, then I make canon. We are so for community or the frozen Kenya say a brim, yes, and it's our show program. What's me chairman? Papa, that's it. I mean, shall know five. Now, said I make canon. Then she no. The corner your coin in Yame and said I make kind. The mark was economy if we need to have a way. We got into America. Eddie come a more Collins Lusoma or a politician. Massa. Massa. Who said the capture say, ye imagine any ayano. Ye another sign, ye breaky. Ye delegates no into 3. ABC. C4 do every A near Pampe. A near my evening. And a B no. A bois, and my imagine a widening. We were expecting around 40 to 50 margin. Now, election has its own dynamics. Can say, yes, a polling station for bouquet or share and shoot up a money post. Now, you're Baba Twaba. Yes, start here. Now, opponent. nipa ba ne agent ba ko kura ni police station
agent kura ni
ba ko kura ni ho
ɛtɛ do ɔbɛtɔ ba ne ma
agent ma ya start abato yɛn start abato yɛn kɔfɔ to aba no within less than 30 minutes that is ɔmo ani yɛ di so for na no bɛto aba na ma yɛn no yɛn yankɔ camping bia yɛn di ɔmo di te yankɔ camping bia sɛ bi kɔto aba ma gidi na oso nya no na obu nyame mpa yɛ sɛ odi gidi
I said did no because obi di to no sɛ o meto e dey amount
sa
because for instance ebi wo ha am kan si Dr. Filibano and lawyer in Amo, Umuya, 0. Meanwhile, allegedly say, or what you 3,000, 4,000, 2,000, but 0. It tells you, say, Untimian, Nicola, whatever you
a year and a month, yen, you know, matter over 8 years. Anna, and ya da, ya control back, and also cook the second car, a comedy part. We are called dinner table. Many people who's on in the cover. Ahunhiem wo ne nkyɛn anigyeem wo ne nkyɛn awerɛhom wo ne nkyɛn saa ɛna mma nipa nyɛ ɔmo didie sɛ me piaw na wokɔduru a wobɛnya nkayɛ ɛde ama me ɛno bi na akɔso kɔ adu yɛyɛ no na ɔho ne yɛ ka yɛ delegacy asɛm ntafrɛ no ɛm sɛ the Collins yɛyɛ no it says them right so tia sɛ yɛ start aba no yɛ within 30 to 40 ne ato aba awie aba ne ende 1 e ball roughly 8 ne yawi ne yeti ho 11 abo no mo mai 12 11 to 12 no mo baaye na convoy a sebe memma kantin kapati moto be 20 so ne di omani na bus sinsia delegates ni gum bus sinsia enti se ye duru duase ne duase ne ye beto aba na mo ambo wo bus na wo to abo duase no ne ya machi mo si fam Musimas, state no match with the Moko police center. What to abana omo bono bala boss no mo. What to odi pie. Am you say abana what to ni eni esa na what box no. That's what happened.
What music in general I was second be aso.
Pam, yes. Pam. Eno no wako. Enti o say, enti o ma no mo fi say nko mo ko aba. Abe hwe ene ya me be hia, ene ya be di nkoma na nkoma kɔtɔ aba na ma ye no. Omuti ate akam omantinya baba enti ebi aba na hihye so de nyame beye ene so timi kanso na ka 5 sem ka cho say the voice of the people is the voice of God de na timamufuo no hwehwe no na de omo ka kire ye no eno ne ba mu na se constituency officer me adea ebeko tia MPP ama MPP ho abon ama MPP vote to enso ate no eye otan for mame I had to fight it because per our history ye to aba last year ye lose more than 20,000 ye number so tay votes omo to aba ema even the current MP no the presidential election president no bronso over 10 events over 2,000 votes. What you say? President brought over 2,000 votes. It is a Kobasa. What does it tell you? It tells you the people are hungry. And I said, now, a chairman, I say, MP, we are MP. No matter what is so party or power, so party ni power, or fancy the other day, OJ. That doctor can be bisa. But the fathers here, Timothy can be man, you would dinner down on the also who be view of him. People are expecting some of your 7 electoral areas. My young woman, if you need more, Akuso, a dear way you are a MP common fund, a dear way you are a education fund, a dear health fund. Now, what will be called on you? What you have Barbara the person is, and yet the Nipano you are want to learn.
But my assessments for say MP no more than parliament than it because some of us are MPs, most of them they free. When you look back at yourself, committee and also. You need to say a double menu committee or a committee chairman. Okay, look at the committee and this one. And where you might just about one time because of radio, so TV.
And Mickey, and your Cassasi, and your Cassasi. Your cow say to me, your cat Abambabi, and your Cassa. What's here? Kojo Pon Kuma mu ye kasa o. It's about competency. It's about competency. Adwene no wo tiri mu no. And it tells you we adwuma. Abdallah ekolusu ye so mo ka. Ana meboa. It tells you that the person is working. Sebi, what is we be aka kolusu man kwa say oyibi. What be that? What is we be can be that? Awa dia.
Onam credit can come now. Na man for can. But I wanted Onam credit to come here. I told him I want back because I'm a person can me prove which level for say no so table for.
Oh, for the same.
Come na come in English intel. If you want.
And then bro for the fan cast. Masa be from the
But that was Olusi, you know. Delegates and the council is leaving some amount. And I think that honorable you heard that but it was what no more responsible as one tier.
Bro for the omi fan cast. Fan cast. Hwe you will nipa bi wo ho a na dwim abi. So go konne no nya orientation ne performance of a perform or see obi a watena 10 years. So it is not about the long period that we will stay with parliament. Just say, "Uye bibio."
Yes, finally, you talk about
expand you be true. Name of also me also measures. Somebody maybe to parliament. Ebe to Ghana mu say, you best certain committee be at home. Is in the house. Woman say if you cross your parliamentarian, that's who experience more, no free more. Call to those people into that sector. And to come back committee work now. Those people who do the work. What you say? And to be more or less an appointees. Both MPP, NDC, and DRASA. Let's say more. There should be a criteria that somebody can qualify.
Yeah, retirement. Yes. 2 years.
Yes. You set a committee. You pool of certain experienced people. But so because yes, Monday, you know, Maza, still I bet you.
Right, I was doing come on TV, CLP, 7 son, say, I did channel 0546 5907 0. I didn't tell you in your kind of farmer. We are live also on Facebook, Kumo TV, and then on YouTube, Samdakos TV. I'm not Fata. Let me be privates. Never be big CC. So far, about 40 incumbents in Elus.
That's so you tell me, yeah, oh yeah, and if you were saying something to carry, and then was John Wood, a carry, said the man carry from a flock. Was a chairman supposed to walk parliament, no one yet parliamentarian. But to me, call 1993, a constitution now, yeah, no input, some of Kaya, MPP for boycott to you, Yenya, baby, near friend, how Yakubu, some kind. No, not parliamentarian. No, Biantin and Kata. But your corner would say, me face here, and when the man people for Yaku could say, say, any papa could pay pop. So, just here, and no, actually, Richard, and also a doctor here, but no, parliament. But the first year in parliament, yet in car. Got your Ponkuma, the first year, Fifi got the first time. The first time. A park. So he only now first time ye, but ye 2 womanka. Sebio, previous among the Sumazo. Minimsa lecturer would ye. Actually, I was saying, Sabunsu. And now Yaswasi MP, Muntaka. It's a unique you will be replacing home. But I'm going to some person here, some crofon have been said institutional. I won't pay baby. No more farmer or na change in your own time. I was saying, now you have to be a politicians. Amachia or Cassas is here or electoral. Young fan is saying, Yamina do not be empowered with independent. Now, parliament now. On to me, dear Jumana. Or more penitment our year and opportunity be but maybe a MPP grant a higher Muslim. And people near this year decided say there be Papa will be a young seat to family. Near finding parliamentar, and Yara Machi, what do you mean, man? Oh, yeah, I'm found Momo and Catania maybe so. Because Sabio was here, but Sabi, yes, yet to us a junior. You must send it academia where you're good, but you all come and this Sabi, you're junior lawyer, and then find the sense there. You will need to be crowd was Omekaya by elections. ana do mu be wura mu do ba 2 years ekoi enso obaye otimi ye adwuma eso CD enti ye wura chairman support mu na ni kofobia omanwa bi say yam protect wo mu muntaka say mi ame boss muntaka say ye bie mu na okọ content ko be lusu o say chairman support ye bie mu na okọ ko be lusu na po ye bie mu ko be lusu
na po die bia
me chese ko anyima ye mu emam na po
ya boss no me say you ha ma tro say ye bie mo de you go so say honorable me am of fact chairman support so die ono no dey na was no be pass strong last time they interview you see say they na honorable kan na say
I say so what me want connect me dem say you be bad me jiru ni wa beg abi before the year can say nobody in your mind in terms of politics are naturally institution nobody running somebody how many years I work with you so but I bring so you man boy oh you ni pa enne see the runners and Tamils don mama omo pedida da akufo better farmers ni be gina say majority of Ghanaians back to about the amount runners because runners administration was very far better and discipline in the system.
Although he was young.
Discipline in the system. Tama papa runners grab on but no one see political science in the others. And to one young mama yen ya say enipa bi wo what they are untouchable. Let us me sa MPP abaye on 2 years. They say and you wake up and the man anado. So what here you know MPC am na and MPP ko ade but here we get na there ka fit na there ka say na na fail o man you na kan MPC o me MPP interview was say promises and na do ye and we say all farm mafoma mo man fa nya adwuma ana mo maluzu and was citing one district one constituency 1 million you know I was starting one village, one dam. I was not the one.
And no, delegate because also we are central government.
And
then
MP, President Nakato said, MP, member constituency, the president of the constituency is the MP. So, Bekaya, how about Kunsin? I can't say, so almost 1 million Nepal. Almost MP, no, the children, I say, woman, you have to the young farm. We say you be yan wa enti woman ni ehwe once you work as an worker you say omo relationship with the enipa e wo from se sika no aba na ma ye kura anase bia MC bi ma wo fa ye adwuma ba wo ba from ne wo delegate na beka se me nua no na petufo adwuma we na wo se ye nenso sika no ba se bi MC no e ye petufo na enipa na ti wo as MCU. And he said, MP, no want to make back and no party executive didn't come on. No problem. Only in our fancy out. I come when see you one who said, only remember when you're Duma. Delegates need your MP before our women say, there was here Duma here to maybe I need the amount. The former name, me and Minipa, me and me a sort of way away. Ofata Bantima, almost catching say, Ofa. Brafon was also may raise their Pusika about 2 days, through our Betria. We pray for me to some important catching some. I was sister station. Was he? And do what I say will be to 1 million, bet you 2 million. What is our foreign? Me war Western North. And a Jedu, regional minister, but I BB and also was he? Say a project series to 50 million. Or no, bet you 100 million. Okay, 2016. Nanado, Bawumia, and MPP for Eddie, Sabu, after Patron Fatu Kurabana, and one with the Gila Sudana. Bawumia China, Krabakura, no one Gila Sudana. Emma, 7 previous, a young Kaya Yokra to 50 million. That is a rough one. Freddie Bray, the people, and the young guy. 2016 Catcher, GRA. Ghana Revenue Authority said, "What Kwabam goes into the tax young fan channel." And by the same just 4 years, Otimias can talk cars. I can see 275 at the mark 120. And the delegates in Sunny Man in our show.
2 years. Can't promote.
Sabariana Amo, what catch that down of one in our say, maybe Obama consulency Biasa. And to some you know, Grobian. And as how party at that time, no one did and the appointees, after your claim indication say, a bit to 50 million, 20 million per delegate. Sebi, I mean, we are saying, we knew she could have by Bantia, because I bought Dokuna share there, wouldn't happen. While we are aware, yet me from Manqua, the living on the statue of Abraboy, nothing in Pong, Freddy, and the son of Saint Pegalo. And then you didn't any pay within period of short period of time, ultimate time, and you person the constituency, a consultant on mine, a campo, and twas a people. Okay, MVP, let's know me. I check down of one if you are seeing not messy. Now, can be, sir, almost a COVID protocol. Because I check when a president back at a face mask mandatory. What can say protocol here and our software people and net software that jail. And today being a president will new opportunity Sunday for better science. And the first year president said, minimum people for me down and also if you are a choir of protocol miles and once why you can't say down for say and bring here Nanado, Omedi dear men, you make dear Nomadi. John Dramani Mama so when that's one is and she say, Papa, at the Magana for that's it. Young family miracle, right, DJ Omale and YOC go. So, was it what at all do the opposition NDC want from President Akufo-Addo and NPP government? We voted NDC out because they could not meet Ghanaians' expectations. Now, you are in opposition and yet you brag as if you are competent enough to solve all our problems. Regards to Honorable Martin J. Kosa, Martin Umini and Nana B, national organizer. Okay, Martin. Okay, OPK goes. So Osi Mahama should stop lies and propaganda on depositors of Ulas banks because he was not able to pay depositors of DKM, God is love, and allowed Nam1 to dip Ghanaians in his era. So Mahama and NDC are no more for Ghanaians. Regards to Nana Okumen Goso Sanahene. Emilia also writes from Aswanse, if pastors were punished because they violated the COVID-19 protocols, then we are also waiting to see what happens to the NPP delegates who violated the same protocols. The motto is freedom and justice and must be fair to all. Greetings to all social democrats. Okay. Nana Amasa from Atebubu Amanten. Great show this afternoon. Sir Mike, your show is the best. Please tell the NPP that we are waiting for all of them. You boot them out come 2020. And also they are the Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. Kindly tell the NDC man to stop making noise because this is TV and we are watching live. The NDC has nothing good to offer we Ghanaians. Regards to the honorable members at your studio, Stephen Yamenu from Akim Oda. Okay, I think it's pronounced Akim Oda, right? Okay, Akim Oda, not Akim Oda. Forgive me on that. And then we are good evening, Sir Mike. The NPP keeps telling Ghanaians that we are corrupt, but their parliamentary primaries has exposed them massively. Ghanaians now know who is really corrupt. The NPP is a scam party. Also, Bempa Achianse, NDC branch executive member, and also, anyway, to me, the Abba. Well, what we say, I have China and quite as a constituency. I'm going to enter a local management, Yene, Farouk Tema was say when the NPP promised free SHS, restoration of teachers and lesson training allowance, the NDC argued it was not possible and even preached against free SHS.
So what has changed? NDC needs to rethink of their campaign strategy and come back again. What does Mahama say? Everybody know. Okay, very procedure of the Abba. I don't know. Good evening, Sir Mike. Naomi, watching you live from Iswatre. Please tell your panelists that we did not get part of the money, and so they should ensure that we all get some. If not, although we are part members, we vote them out, because one cannot teach others how to fish, and then when they get the fish, give it to half. I think it's a problem. What you know the number, then I'm not kind of the amount for Asida, God's way casket. So I'm now very bro. I say, oh yeah, now open the same year, now say, Ibia, open say, in an ambulance, or they that can go to local see, local formatry, and so and a video coverage, and after the patient with me at the amount come. They say, we see you now before that car. Start the episode to be the amount. So now remember, now per se what year to be zero, now remember, where the amount. We are soft now per se the Bible, where the amount. Sibia, when to need now per se, if one can hear this will be put on my book for you. The beer also if you wear the amount, come on, and one also had a phone. You know, so looking quite a few. Now, I may want to, and then my Kumwa, might be Abwa, Ama, Obia, at the amount. And Jabia, you are penning a discapable feeling. You that can come up. I just say, Jimmy, then any of my proof come up. Indiana, come up. Indeed, what they are never massive, Asaf, run about, while if a liver, look Massia, also call liver, we are the Udua, Wafre, Anglo, on 0243 737 457. 0243 737 457. Now it's me, Aji, also. Right. Is that something to do with Mahama? Akasa, but then my many chance, okay, my miss Amra, now for you to talk so that my will be more than one type. This is you behind it, but how many should be on it? His Excellency Dr. Mahama say, one way I do by collapse of banks they buy. Now, Oscar can first salary, a trauma man, and what you got a need beyond Zika. Say a microfinance, say a bank, say it's a loans. Be against or back or money and what you have. So, say, I mean, I don't not it. It's a letter commission, say, or my past they call 10th of 6th of August, registration or maybe. Nina to the Okama, Penny, that I'm say, only registration and be unfortunate. Then can you now, I think,
Mamma and Pena, because I said no come over. But I pay to make. Of our tower, hey, Adia, and from so and this year, Cassia Pa, they say, say, you are mamma. So, madam, and this things. Mamma, any power from a Ghana fool. Near why you need or why you are a Fnania baby, dear, or the Ghana for fair. And it was a maybe see that. So we are a one-term president of Ghana. Yankai do so. Yankai a teacher for a training college. Omala once I strip away. What's all about when you feel? Oh, very Yankai DKM. Yankai nurse for day. Yankai you can't say freezing of employment. Yankai come out what do I fail to do? It qua make us make a car a better program near Ghana for us once and no mass once. Nana to buy in 3 years. See a become a cranium in the crowd may have said Ghana for. And your man nine pembe bon your man nine pessoa. Let me up obey 80 or more. And your man nine do so. Do so. And you see a call to my eye at printing press. Your quite the area expanded. It means to can the want. What you mean that can hear to my crown in 36 hours.
It was a challenge about
what challenge? Oh, the solution was there. He was not competent. You did not entire. Every beer groomer, not a combat, and be a crepe. aduane kora ne ho de na na do bae kanea sɛ me free ho yedu sɛ sɛ yedum kanea 2 hours kora na na Ghana for bibi yae planting for food and jobs sɛ aburo kora yɛ nkra bi free baabi ma bɔdeɛ mankan aduane wɔ Ghana yeyi no to nkyɛn free SHS kora de me pɛsɛ meka of atanwa on si enyi yentumi nye it is not possible me kai me ba out of so nine we are part of a free SHS only don't start here or what is CC obibi na me de ne kɔ na ma peka kra to me botum say ye den free SHS ye den me tua kakra na me do o fill forms ni na awie e na ma prospectus say me nko to tɔni ma
oh me pa ho no so bra na me ne one of the aspirant original oh father Secretary Vincent Menu or deputy CEO at the Middle Belt Development Authority. Chief, what's in kind of rare and why you back more TV so? Chief, what's in kind? Hello? Vincent, what's in kind? Okay, I think that's one.
And he said, I'm making Nanado. Aduane sem we ye through hamai banking restructuring nana musumi bia le ebo
ma me say afide Vincent Africa ura Vincent what you can
hello
abani what you can
I met Monka
good so far father so you say who na what na and you said saying bia okay for now
oh bibia boko
nti ese me nteme wan se ana aba ewo mo abon mu no se akosi sen
oh mpanimfo hia ye no de kosi ye ne se enka nkrofobia ye de omo bewura mu a yennim wo mo no yentumi mpene so emom ma emeto aba ne bi nti yi omo si nchen ena omo nso so a na ye omo free mo omo ka adadafo no omo beto no ho ne nso so no ne ye omudin ye delete no na pinchen bae no na entiase ba se omonso so no omon to be manin ye if you say wo hwe ye mra pon na akoye se unya 1/3 crown of your delegates omutimi to aba enti wo hwe se bi na ye MP say chinchina ompene if is omo de ye yi omo free monti omo to bi enye no nanka o de enimu ama ye di afofra ba be hyemu no ekinye na pinchen no mpanifo hye ne say ise omo ye diliti omo free ni omo bemu no omo ma omo to bi a ekinye no be koso a yetumi nkoye nim asama ma reho papa free say ne kwan say sa ne ma we nyina ba o hwe delegates a omatna opposition na nanado omokoba eye campaign anadwo ewio nsuo to no monemo emu ema mefo a omobabo no mobona na ekufu adudin nenso so no sebi na no ametu omofo meka kire omo sesese akoyese omomom na de omo ho abafo de se de be asomdwe beba ye betima koyenim enti yese ye ma omo ntubi na mede mesin keten se nyame boa ma medin konimu a anase kwan bia so a yebefa emra kwan so ebetimi aboa omumu masaba ye album dem na say fa so every so ma bre asom party no sompa na obi pese chinchina okoso atena so ye mpinti o se chinchina yenyi omu free makofefa afofra yennim won bi krampo mfree constituency nim na aya asefem nanso se de be yebekoye ne monti sa foi ajatum emo ya de nanso so no mapene atena nchen ana omo so ankana ebi no mo fa kwati kwan so de omo ba be hyem no nso so omo de omo so no ya mpene so nti omo maka wo album no adadafo no a omo ye krogen no omo bro 2/3 kra nti ne omo form quorum mane ye timpenifo ajatum se ye nto aba no
so far ejima no ko be send a free
oh uhwemu a enipa be oha edioson mienu ena omo nso so a momatutu kwan a omo ne Ghana bio ene omo a sebi oma frim oma ye nyame de a
you share the Eddie can to that areas are the incumbent MP any one person a contest in favor don't want man who are nice incumbent no more yacht but maybe a quiet bear me and sack and 9 incumbent the film. What so one year Kingsley and I contested the incumbent MP. We are sort of betting with him.
Me patcho man now I didn't to since man 10 years.
It was say say no any mean and I'm contesting incumbent MP no. The act to be also no if you are no the paradox so I'm contesting MP the piano MP to me. We are also now Vincent Menu a bit really obra we any family and son I'm contesting.
Oh, Vincent Menu bidding kunim. She said, Jaye Jumaden, Yene delegates na kasa. Album be hon sensem kra, omo kudea makon, said the bayan kedi omo betnem. Omo say MP otiso no, odane ne chima o. Sebi albuma enim profwa omo to abama no. Onu no de bibi bo na bosom, abosobo ne yem say, chinchina omo to abane bi. Edanko ibirem. Eno ne de sa pinchen ba ya de ababesi se kopem se Ghana men nyina obi ato na ba kwada sonkwa ya jiji bone a ya nto ya benebi enti no na aya asefem sa ne men nyina kire se ne no montio ewo se ogina mu amaye no enkoyi debia ntokwa oni executives ntokwa executives na nka sanso so no ewo pika ezo muso so aye enfomso bebre wo sa asem we ho omuso so ehu yakogina obi achi engineer mana oye incumbent no ne ho nsem bebre executives no so makofo obi se omo pushi no so honso nsem bebre de kwada so for agia tum ene se ewo se ekoyenem ewo sa asomdwe ba no mo pro obi a ode sanka bomo no beba na obemma delegates ne da so na empuntu djuma wona ni so said e washa ase ye dada no na enka bomo ene asomdwe beba constituency no eno so na Vincent gina eno na mo magye matum a omo aye crowd search na omo beto amamena ntinkunim de ebeba omo mpenu amabio ena mini anya konsoso no omo ne homode ni constituency no kra ni yenim no nansen na o sha se ebeka ye ho a yenene koba yinhu ade sonko bi a waye o constituency no mo ede ama wo ene ye party ne anti no o ma jemato
the expectation of the delegates no is a also are you capable? Do you have that money to pay to become the next member of parliament and PC Maparaso?
Enye sikan kwa be de ya de yetinim de nyansa ene abotre delegates no sabi kakra yede mo seti enti no de e bra o mo bre o mo koba no ene dru BBC a yepe bibi kakra ma wo mo nanso so sabi o sika hia na odebema delegate a ebeso no eti kakra ebenya bia ngidi se kwada so delegates ebesom na omo amaya koyenim de hia pa me ne omudin komo a omo ka kire me ene nipa owonim de ne nanamontuo eye online na chima won obedi nokre a kire won omo hwehwe no omo behu no nipa ya wono atete no a free constituency nim enyini wom asom constituency no asom party no asom asanteman asom Ghana man ewa akwania sabebre so sa nipa bisa no mfu sesesi an ya tetena mana yemua a waye crowd say obegina o manem wo parliament and no Vincent from Paul Meno entina sesi a omonte me hujai na omo entimi gidi se sika de enye no kwa na de ye bibia sika kakra ewe nsemo a yede be mo TNT de bibia ye betumi na megidi se omo mfa eno kwa no enye de ntia omo de bechusu MP
ba kakra be se na betu dia ma se de be ya omo betu na consider
but you say Also, why be to be saying? Oh, Nasa, way in ye said you, and yet said the Kotuman Piaoka. The ye said, delegates no, said the party Nankasano Abia, ye, Omoko Bakoba Yin Piaomoka. Ain't no, Abia Chna, a Jumata, on Quajuma. So, no, a giant Bibia, na mebao, Mpacho mebao, Mepacho mebao. Aha, nti na meka sɛ kakra efiri wakoma mu a ɔde bɛma mo sɛ party ne ho dɔ a adwuma a wɔyɛ a yɛntua wɔ ka na yɛama wo biribi ɛde more like o time na waspend a wɔnkɔ adwuma no party no ne sika ebetumi ayɛ ne nyinaa nti yɛn aspirants nso no etumi tete yɛn nsɛm kakra bi a yɛ TNT sɛ gye faforo kaa na fa kɔ baabi a ofiri baa yɛ de yɛbɛdi ho menim deɛ MP betua ɛna me nso sɛ binye radio so ne yɛdi saa nkɔmmɔ yɛ me nua bɛma
on behalf of the crew limited Mo TV SUP you wish you very well na yɛmu nyame mpa yɛ sɛ nyame adomɔtena nyame to zupa emu wakoma so adeɛ no so na ɛbrɛ
mate meda ase paa me nua na menhyira mo bebree.
Vincent Frimpong Menu, a deputy CEO, Middleburg Development Authority, almost $1 million. My penny can was a short sir. Middleburg, almost a day, and the Uber Santa Radio, and they come central part of the region, almost Lucas can but now on the more delegation. I said, well, TNT, but we do delegate our revenue, the our own factor. From a TNT, I can't say one factor. Woman won't go to never for no more. But I want to go 2 minutes, meeting enough.
Now, come 2 minutes. Into another day, meaning sort of one day. Nagana for Thomas Atwabama.
Then electoral commission.
Then, before electoral commission, now make Mammy Pacific on our achievements. I said, my boss. No names of my son.
Oh, sir,
I'm in any other corporate. But nothing we give in any country. You tell me in any country. You have new entries now. Well, I'm starting to came to my first time, the second time, myself, I'm not prepare any a lot of others. You call your orientation, now it's not available. We can't tell us in many 12 years with few crowd. No, maybe second time. You have a Okujeto, a Fifi Kote, a Hong Kroma, a Duchu, then I say for they are performing. The caliber of MPs I always say, Kosi Kwanadu, Honorable Sebenamwa, John Kuma, and then Asifon. With small orientation, they can perform better than Oman.
Okay, Timothy will be on the other. I said the woman you voted for at Nisuta Kabame Poso, Massa, he has just stayed in US for a very long time. What does he do? Family experience or what?
Oh, so you say. It is a make say, and yet, and our face so, and you need to know any panu. May the body and the bunch, a patuni. Who could perform more parliament grana? I was so bad now, no go for any. Is she? Okay. Now, more message. The Okoto, the entire was said, Bibia was on Kawi, won't be ye. Now, chances are, I said, do time out. Go over to our delegates like they never to influence. Delegates no influence on Krana, Umuti, and Panda for me. As a man, son of mine, and the MPs must take this as I can't say serious one part. Now, many as the cat, many a baby, my cat and said, or come over, you miss the other country for. Now, if you want me, pa, any day, Asia, the cover of your power by a car, which is the answer now, one darling movie. Any brava, right? Honorable Pesiapia, campaign coordinator na Stephen Amwa, the newly elect PC NPP, which is by Susan Hotel. I'm a designer, Sammy, and my favorite designer. Papa, who's a wife. That one, my meeting, John Daman is on register and that of
repayment and payment of those of sika me am ni apani da ko sika ko kam first salary you tua ma ko sa amara da so ba ko tua
Niki medasi na we kasa no kanzin yo fata oh yes the gentleman no ko na mama kranke hey NDC as we are talking to you mo mere Omoba at time of 2008 NDC
started 2009
NDC la sulala okay la sulala okay na mo stress ka
wanga
masa ne oba beta ofisi yewre fiara
ana bo so yi
ya di pa ana ofa take no a we say ko be ko na ni wo jansen na okọ ka no hwe o mo wie ye no fere so ko su kwa achi no you student okude to no ye wan no you student o wie ye how many days e no di 20,000 to ni car to e ko horo ka mo bi ko yiye why na never plane e ko lectures o US e ba nobody say
already o
so you have to keep quiet.
Komiana
no. More so kasa to say the MPP e buy no. Yeah, Sebi, let me come and so we the class of MPP parliamentarians, any ministers, they are class. Omo bra. They are no students.
Masa 200 some time ago, just 3 years. Now they go to be at 3,000.
And I make sure say omo bra. Omo ko dis kam so omo bra. Omo ye adwuma. Oh, can't call it so man. Masa, well, yet, for 8 years. It was network, Masa. A network. To go come to me support too. I'm up a year, I'm out to me a year. What does he? I heard you on to my mom called John Dramani Mahama. Or my casa cranky. We had a cutting piece, a plagiarism. We invest your Quebec Fellow, certificate of J. What does he? I mean, we are giving you. DK. Yeah, John Dramani Mama am wrestling in Obo NDC ni episode ni sika ka first sala. First sala I think a time when first sala start to see. First sala start to see good time. One community. Oh. Na na dan ko ku fo do ba yi. Wa bono ho mode. Ah me fan say yes sir banking say the chairman kan yi. Restructure one yeah e sika no watua. Aye gusu anye ni nyina na yetua wi but ye gusu anye ni tua so ti ase John Dramani Mahama onu ankasa ni speech so na 2060 o ka se ben wo say banks na aguo no e lack of supervision by Bank of Ghana ni speech at the parliament wo say your friend say banks na aye bebrebe wo Ghana ha no e lack of supervision ne me ma breso me na mte so ne na dan ko kufa na to so ne ye John Dramani Mahama wana na te so ne mre so se ne koyi a kwanka sa asem no se ne koyi a kwanka sa asem no enti me kan kire wo fatama enti se John Dramani Mahama aso wo kan Ghana for busa se na no di sam ni die e na mfanso ko 2 MPP die e no dia be she betu afeli wa feri poto wari what you say it is a banking sector clean up ni dey na dan kwa kufu do baaye e ne tue be se aduma wi atua wo de no kula ku ye tua wo de na wo ye man ku ye tua e no mo gina na yoyoyo omo bona na dan kwa kufu do omo bona maso the situation ye wo e ye Ghana na wo ka say what this camera ka dompi na dan kwa kufu do be fa you enso se eska no wa betua aye guso ye tua bi aye wieye enti de be bi yesi afi no muso on goto aba on go register oh nyame fo boni nchewo nyame enfa NDC on fo boni nchewo wonu so on tu kwan on report to your bed say even say UN eni ECOWAS on ko kan 7 no aba be kan kire so mon kan hwe obi aba po mo chewo mo ye o me mo ye am
say la ma be na de kan limited registration and general registration
masanya no ko they say obi kan say limited registration Ghana obi kan say limited registration yisi say yɛyɛ total registration voter register yɛyɛ ɛyɛ limited na process na yɛ limited registration. What's the difference between the process and what they event saying general registration? Are they not following the same procedure? You know, the same protocols you pass on. Intimacy, NTC Amanuku Unia. Say you want to take a man you show. Let's say Ghana able to put on open. Take remember someone say Ghana, Omo Ghana did in Bonnie. What you say? Let's say or confuse you global what Timbi. What Timbi? Mo say Ghana. Mo be able to make up no matter where. We able to put one on it. No more cost and so you see the Yami Shirano. No Shirano.
Forget about us because for Nana to do more. I'm Musua from Inchi. Okay, Inchi for your champa. Oscar Che from Assamese Western North region. I think there is no problem against NDP parliamentary primaries. Wow, so they are the Abano. I'm Augustine. Greetings to Chairman Ernest. Protecting long-serving MPs won't work. It will rather lead them not to develop their constituencies, okay, or their constituencies, okay. And also they are the Abano. Watching you live from Mogoso. In fact, Quell TV, you do it all. Since last week, I've been watching you, and I keep interest in watching you. Okay. Nanaya, that's it. So, also, okay. Father, Emra, what I have in the committee.
Say, oh, I buy out what feeling the man for. Say, you find what failure. I don't say, who said the opponent to ban and home. Nakao, also by Shakotoko. One hour catch a Kotoko, pray and go keep our family too. Some of them back with your mama, near the your mama about some come 3 years. Come on, easy. And then people 14 catch this was there, and from 1 more year, and somebody your mama. Your mama achievement about another for 20 years of crown, maybe, and can't. Kumasi Kuma in particular, Kumasi Kwakageti Yakode. Kwa Aswasi market. Me told you trouble in the pocket of market. Ninga ya Joma and Sano Juma. Nanaku for pair Woma in Shayaso, and Menshama for Chese. Would you one crop between Yatras and Tomato may buy a grain of my head? And no more pump from woman piece. Nanaku for the Nipa, Kukra between in Sassum. I can't tell you. Now come off and one at the moment, meaning another farmer. So much young Yomian to away. Second, or month before, and I'm going to bribe and gather power. Penny Mutiana Airplane. What's you walk on it? Who's one man, Papa, the common found, wouldn't you penny, wouldn't you dear Baku could have it in the actually. By any shape, I didn't say, or say 10 minutes ago to Jina, so I may catch her and said, Muntakaya and Yisi Ninti, and the Sikana as a project I was at the battle, or Muntakadia as once a year. Meaning, say Muntakatia Yaf once a year. Crawford of faith, and not for failure of money. Now, for catch it, say, Sikawa Ghana. I will buy you some power, demonstrate this kind of Ghana. But a young woman said, can you get poor catch a Kufwa with the work of Christian? This won't just bribe or some words about Kufwa. Just Kanga, I'm banging now, and you MP before my aircraft for this in you. And for catches us and so of Wachia, 1 2 of Fatao Bantume, Nisuko for BC that aircraft like catch a and to give us another sort of common woman, some contest, and we lose 20 less in Grana because of more parliament to Mumbai. Nakanyo, deputy chief of staff, which me back from the do so better MPD. To me, I'm going to pay the more Ghana position, deputy chief of staff. Remember, and it's all true to Mama Orca, who will catch that down of women and say, DKM. The never for the Korean and the Prophet of Goodness, you can say, Bechem, any Tachima, any Sunyan, a catcher said, they Blondina Banks, and no matter Yaskan, every amount for to go with you. Yes, Tatia, God is love with it, is Amprofonina. See, come by my first payment to me in another NDC project. I yes, and Mamma away. Omuba Yano, young NDC. And the constitute committee now Omutia Sikanama and a Sofia Tuata and the Pamoye. Now, in any way, Sabi, a Diaba and Capaguana Siatana and Takumaka Otrasetumpu. We buy a Lucy and this in a more normal and DK a year. I didn't also Baba time, which we will go sa bank sisi akesi a ebi mpo ye wonu wani totom to dia we government bank na nya agrofo ma mi a oni ekufo ado bomba nya ne dia capital bank enya ne ekufo ado sofo nya ne dia me bisa o eye clear indication say achim mafia se no na no magni say ogu banks no no dey pledge the bank na sefo enya na me ka papa yo omu edin ko to isi egufu adu ni ni crofo be catch down mo say on fa the bank ni ma ne nto o si da bi me fa ma ne nto se enya obe ye aduma mi ahwe enya na me ka mi tinti say o twa be na egufu adu aburo ni be yenti wadi Ghana ayi omo ma ye no akose oh yes aya aburo be na adu di Ghana for because one sika wadi ku wo mo bank no eso si sika na ko di be ma wo when you say say COVID-19 about the stimulation fund me ba aya mama ni chocho mu di ahuntinenti na sa ban wo ban na won kreti ahotra aka be ka se man na me sala no mo register ente ku fu ado ba ye wo kreti ahotre wo gu Ghana say wo gu banks wo gu football wo gu say gu sorry and me na ku fu ado e na kola mo na mo say corona na growth di say na adu kolo nana kolo nana ana kolo no sta se ku fa no ku fa kolo na ba no so ba ye ana mo tra ba Ghana ene ne wo ka kire ye ndie ma me no se o de bosi e ma wo because for create a mo kire no e dia ma wo mo
o for no ko register
mini na ma ha afi bia ye be ye election ye limited registration na de say ye the limited registration ne kura to nchen ya electoral commission NDC and wo ma court ye new judgment e be ba ebetimi aba ye favor ebetimi aba said the electoral commission in favor said the electoral commission in favor says and I was here for register and because of that nti yen ka se mo obi ko register oh MP before him said o ma fail o man no say 2027 December ye beto aba de tia o nti no o mu peso o mu ya na keka o ko na ka NDC akontefe but ye ka tro mo say na do wo pro oberusu na ye panic show. Say yeah 2016 you lose you handing over the man no war on to nanado and MPP so we be lose election no be ye me masem so mun handing over the there and yeah no be free Ghana na Ghana last year from dream
that's it Robbie Fashion the time so near Golden Hotel was it the NDC is capable of doing and involving maybe to tactics sorting others. The difference between NDC and NPP is that we respect our elders and leaders. Regards to Honorable Lawyer John Kuma, the other source on the Unyamaya MP for the show, or NPP parliamentary candidate elect, the Romich, Super Efa and Mami. No, at the free action, was it Savai? Great show, please. Tell the NDC man that we would give another 100% in his team rating. Wow.
That's a chimchebi media.
Well, can you be a line too? Now, Afi, Yaobiano, with me, Afi, Faster, and Farmer Dr. Muhammad Isadobu. I can't say the Bia, Ebiana, what in China, Ayana, Yapan, said, Yari, Ehawo, now open Bruno, which will have now, which will have now, results now my happy part. Nemo, last stop, Mohis Herbal Center, Udum, and was Kumasi, and a war. Here is my faka, Udu Kumasa, Udu. Dr. Noah, 2019, the one of us, Ghana and African man, and Yari, or not the Clayton, or not once an American. Stroke and a good demo, and on Pontia, or back 3 weeks, once or and until Yuma, Bravo TV, you wish I so. Think I just must now come here with you are there. That's right. And say, yes, you know. Now, a man on the minute share money, money and quite what's later. What I never come as you do, I must dance to do this Herbal Center. Now, but we are more. And we are 1 and 2 on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello. Good evening. And now, my friend from Mr. Friend, lower TV, no, let you home phone. You are going to TV, so you tell our phone, the Antonka. Please tell the NDC man to stop the propaganda and lies. His own leaders don't have message for Ghanaians. I hear him say Nana Addo decision to cancel. Okay, I mean, come now. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening, we are free.
Hello?
Good evening, we are free.
Yeah, me pacho program and campus me basudi.
Good evening, we are free.
Me pacho your friend me also se Fabe Smart, me free offense.
Osiyetio.
Me pacho a kaza ndisi ni no. NDC no me panacha onya big platform say ya. Yeah, I want to know boases. One church no mama amanfo hunu enye kasa tenten ni de some na we kai kan nyina I don't know minim do person kire Ghana Ghana edu ni nipa nyan kwara sa wo unya platform we na wo betena so keka wa some of kai ka ba ku kra ni we fa kwam onko no sambra bi
Okay. Then I see a church is good. Hello, good evening. Yeah, good evening, we are free.
What is it?
Ma TV no perform. Go no perform. Na TV we are free.
What is it?
Hello, free.
But no market meeting.
All right. You too, free.
Okay.
Can you tell?
Hello.
You tell Kasa. Well, me say ofra enti ohun TV no yanisa ma TV go no nkofo ne ti ohun ofo ne be te okapa me ntia me 6 donko o jachi adakwa jachi e tia opa. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Fine evening.
Me be free.
Pacho ya from abag me kata filtapa.
Krapa.
Kasa tapa.
Okay, you tell Pitapa.
I am better can say 2021 nanando ne ba o me fuso. O mo ba o mo ye hwe ye hu hwe ma be Google am share ma come there.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. You the other can say okay. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, I think say on Timika. Yeah, now I'm at the volume of your TV set now perform. Now let me at Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, free.
Maybe I try your friend with that. Me very what I'm going to perform. Me mama about to need my money.
Okay.
Yo, now since you get me know that me dina want more to for local community person. Na persona wata mfi me nya mechanic go de kon na yeti kopo ya city go hen ano ma ye dia for some of communities and people by your hand to us or na do want to work on the best in the no do break what is going to be down and if you back to you mapa na matemone nya me nya juma.
Okay, yes, that's it. Hello, good evening. Okay. So when to me and also say okay. Good evening, Sir Mike. Watching you live from Anriam in Adansia Square. Okay, Mr. Yafet Yachapa. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening. Ma Tibolo ne kofo na yintimenti okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
You are free.
Your friend Daniel me kasa free Libya Bengali.
Libya yentio Daniel.
Sir Mike.
Dani.
Mo program me bobo ma ba so pa nyamishira mo na me da me NDC ni no so afi. Yes, e ka no krepa Asante Radio Kumasi City. Yehu adebia na kufa do ba wa ye. Etiesemo. Ya mo je mai. Welcome to your follow mo pa.
Daniel Nas yentio Libya for you. Hello, good evening. Hello. Until more TV interesting. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
We need to be free.
Good evening.
We need to be free.
Ne free. The quiet.
Okay, you too.
I your friend Nana Kwame.
Nana Yanko.
Sir Mike, yeah, you know, one year of a for a Chiamun in Ray, and yet you my farm more ye. Your best show. Your best show, Sir Mike. Oh, Tonsa Eddie Afre, a NDC for now, Sebi. Ya pet. Wana, ya. Woman, a wedding dear Kakra. And yet the obegina ha akasa baba. Now we be trying drunk one. Sebi, say, you know, you are fata as more bekan, you know, Sebi, Yansa Bakura anymore. Or Casachira Kufa said in Tiperno. The problem I'm walking in Tiperno.
I respect my panels that I here. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
My man, I'm free.
But I will take a dirty available.
What's the free?
Dirty available. Pato, only the empty first to be a bar. I was the oil, so when I for the other way, all a good for if you empty for the only the only bar. Only if you are money at the so empty to the bar. I'm not million. It's easier to work.
Okay. Then I see. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, boss.
Good evening, free.
In free manson, a friend some tiga. Manson hasso. Boss, the American say, a woman another or a president, or a Ghana president, the Jenny man. Na America, I'm not going to say, Nanado by no year my Oba, what trepa and a coso. And you before that, now I say, oh, Mokasa, I almost show me. Omobajo man, said no man to see. I almost saw my name, the man is right. And see, a woman of Ghana president, you will be the name of comedy. When you say, the Ombet Nano good idea, or me have it.
Right, hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello. My team will come from 90. Good evening. Okay, from. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Hello.
Good evening, free.
Hello.
Free.
So, you're from Augustine, Miss Pressy idea at the new site.
Okay,
but you person this as a mean say of course be a BAC and as MAC in propaganda. NDC for one cocoa science course no. And I am because almost mission be full of propaganda. I am sometimes no or I kind of crack a crack. Oh, not on my near then and queen you. Nanado ya they also bonabaso. Now one bonabaso. Propaganda na woye because when it's only now woye now they are doing it because woye sir you are not going to get any affective vote from anyone into matter when you steady na they also kana mine or economy no mbona mine koni
right and I see. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, boss.
Good evening, free.
The same Ken, the Kazakh meeting. And you meet me at Kakakane say debate I cost me a dear man who had the man I even I Name end is for a bon quantum committee. Baby, you move free and baby, you be down minus C. And then another Abbott Waffle, Abbott Group. And then another community seat, no good quine and the thickness, as you say. The moon would be cry among the airport run about 8 lane, a crown who do my beginning. And there will be a mafia at the Sagana food in Armor School in Gamma Omono. Who are that mafia?
I think MFA 2 more calls. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Right. Please tell the NDC man to stop the propaganda and lies. His own leaders don't have this. Okay, good evening.
Fine. Okay, free here. Pamfuku.
Madam as a friend.
Gumwa pamfuku.
Gumwa, okay, ain't you?
I'm so the no Pena Nanado buy no. Or very Diana to the first budget or or mama, fine. You would know so or can sell or which are now so I am so. Almost say you. Yakwani nyina say akwanya akoso on na na film called equals. Ndi ya sana na do da sana offer machines a do do okwa no ho no. Do mbe cha o nche na ngusu maye.
Okay. Okay, I think ever pray for this year. Ever pray for this year. Did I hear him say the Nado decision to cancel say it's not a good initiative? NDC communicators should sack him from their team because he can't. Okay. Well, that's a good evening, sir. Mike, please tell the NDC man to stop his propaganda and false presentation and think about how they can get a campaign message from CO Bonsu. CO Bonsu, so the other day, Abba, I don't know. I think I have labs too here. Hello, good evening, Sir Mike. I enjoy your show so much. Please, I think your medium is the best medium for any political party to assess either they are winning or losing. If you listen to radio within Ashanti region, NPP thinks that they are winning, but TV goes far, and the calls that are coming clearly shows that if they don't take care, they can lose. Nanaya, and so they are the Abba. Right, 30 seconds each. You have to be so,
Mickey, better callers in Swasi, almost on a man of a year, who said, my Kuya, and I said, and so no complain if I said, I'll say, if I what he didn't cut their account. I mean, James, the wife, going to come from Pong, and a phone, my boy, Junior, and a friend say, the man could work with you. From Pong, Junior and Senior, now a friend say, Benedict and Benjamin, Senior and Junior. Also, Junior, I may chair Junior, so they Junior, brother, Lima,
right. Let's go the special aid to the parliamentary candidate elect. In the ticket of the NPP, I will mention North, because I second vice chairman, NPP, mention North. Good.
That's it. And the American Ghana food and say, yes, until I get it, and I eat cheaper. The next food will be a dear pure better than Sanchina was Santiman said. The better also 4 years ahead, the Mayama Santiman. It's Ghana from 12 and Tiago, when deal of mining in trouble. Who bet you said, yes, sorry, 30 seconds of presentation. 1 moment, I saw Kekatati. Who bet you decide no can say. Free Asante region, Western region, all Pacific, the Awasu, and Yasua. Lorry fare 4 cities up to. There are 2 lorry fares. The benefits. Because the year made back. 16, and the Kufuadu regime. And the Kufuadu regime.
But I is senior communication team member for the NDC. And I would say, the
person I can say, you're trouble. Good. Winning no more Mulusi. Now, if I tell you, person may share them, and I'm a cashier say, oh, one night they didn't know yet. They did the wrong. Because Ghana for on the independence. Someone for independent. Mr. Library. Very good evening. And then Mr. Pense,
who from so on also a job.
Vicky, and the person can say, Ghana for us, John Dramani, na ehu sɛ obi sisɛ Ghana fire na ekufo ado ba ɔfata minim sɛ ɔnamaya no asɛnta bɔ spesa ɛkwan a yehu na hei yehu no bɔ mpo nhyiaeɛ so wode yɛka sɛ subin na sɛfo ka ho sɛde bi kura ka ho ɛno bɛ na de ketewa
okay I think the NDC communicator was trained by Felix Ofosu Akwache. Darling boy, yes, a very good evening to Darling boy. 8 to Maslow. Michael Nana, the producer, Bernard Ade, the cameraman, Kobe Frank, and then production manager, and so Otunozo, the one, Mariano, you are more born, then you have Augustina, and I have Loretta, executive producer and director, Samuel Pabna Dako, boss. A very good evening. This year, it will be a one more and so a car, a queen, 80 and after DJ Lot. I may have no now, 4:30 to 6:30. Research, still people, no man, a good.